Hello guys and welcome to Megabyte. I'm Freddy and well, today we're going to talk about SSDs. So we're going to talk about the Kingston 240 gigabyte, and reason being is that I was sitting at work and on my break I was reading a bit tech news really, and I stumbled across one post with the Kingston. So reason why I'm doing this is just because, well, the price on this Kingston drive is dropping insane. Compared to last year or summer last year, it almost half the price, so that's a big deal. And well, it's not the biggest or best SSD, but still it's a good disk to have as a boot drive, or maybe if you want a portable drive. I mean, it's just for this price you can't go wrong. So today you can get one on Amazon for $30, which is really cheap. And switching out your mechanical drive, or when you're upgrading or building a new kit, you might as well go with an SSD, because you get, however you twist and turn, they're still going to be faster than a mechanical drive, and it works in a bit different way. So as a boot drive or a portable storage, 240 gigabytes, it's enough really for most people. And as I said, it's not the fastest or biggest. It has a 500 read and a 350 write, so not great, but good enough. I mean, for $30 really you should get one as fast as possible, really. But I don't know, maybe looking at Amazon right now, it's probably the cheapest drive you can get in that size. I might be wrong, sure, but I mean, it's a SATA 3 connection, so I'm not sure if they're gonna drop much more in price, but do you really afford to wait? They might go up as well. You can install it in your laptop if you like, to get a new drive for your laptop. You might have an old one that's not really working out for you, or it's smaller, or whatever it may be. So I'm gonna post Amazon link to, if you want to get it when it's cheap. As I said, like $30, it's really cheap, and it's an SSD, so fast storage is always good, and it looks real nice as well. So that's gonna be it. Just a little short side note on the SSD price for the Kingston drive at the moment. So I'll see you in the next one.